Hey folks, we got our Ankarsrum mixer set up. We're gonna make some cookies. So we got the plastic bowl. We got the cookie whisks inside there. See them set up there. We got our cookie dough. We got some vegetable oil and our egg. So we're gonna get started. Let me show you what we have. 1.5 ounces of vegetable oil, 1/2 ounce of water, 1 egg. And we have our mix in the bag. Got our cookie mix in. We gotta get it even. Hello, Bella. Slowly incorporate our oil. Our water. And our egg. See it coming together? That's what we want. Our cookie dough is coming together, folks. Check that out. Not too bad. Look at that. Didn't take long at all for it to come together, did it? Thanks to my new assistant. Got our baking pan out. We're gonna roll up our balls and put them on there. So we kind of winging the size by feel. Some may be a little bigger than others. We're trying to get the same size, same weight cookie balls. That was a little big. Well, I tell you, the Ankarsrum really mixed these cookies up real fast. It didn't take any time at all. You want to get them all about the same size so they cook in about the same time. Now we got to get our oven preheated. All right, let's see. We're gonna go to bake. 350, 10 minutes. Start. There we go. There's our cookies. Check that out. This is our first batch of cookies with our Ankarsrum mixer. All right, folks. We'll finish our cookies. We don't have many left. This time we're going to fix them a little bit differently. We're going to use the fork and try to put the little lines in them. Trying to build some of these up a little bit. That was a little smaller. That's all our cookie dough. Now we need to get our go. So what we're going to do now, we're going to flatten them and we're going to mark them with the fork like they do on TV on them highfalutin cooking channels. We'll see how they can turn out. Take that out. It's about as novice as we can get, folks. Now we're going to see how those turn out. All right, folks, here we go. We're going to put the cookies in the oven. And she counts down. Look at that, folks. They got the lines in them. Look how nice that looks. Oh, that looks good right there. All right, so the next step is we need to make our chocolate top. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So we've got a little ingredient cup. We've got our cookies, and we can dip it. So we're gonna use this cup for our chocolate. We're gonna put it inside here with the Control Freak, and we're gonna melt our chocolate inside here very delicately and cautiously. All right, so we're gonna set our probe holder on the pot. That's to hold our probe. So we just washed our probe. We're going to go ahead and insert it It's a little wet, but it's clean, nevertheless. We're gonna put this right there. We gotta get something to dry it. Be right back. So we're gonna go up to 110. Hope I didn't put too much. It came out pretty fast. Now we're at 110. We're gonna melt. Folks, we're on probe control. We got the Control Freak controlling it with the probe. The probe right now, we had to go up. We went up to 150 because to transition the heat through the glass cup, we need to go a little bit higher on the outside, and it'll slowly increase on the inside. And we'll come back down once it starts melting. But the pot's at 149, the probe's at 130. So I would say at the top of the water is probably 125. Now the glass on the bottom is probably at about 149 right now. We're coming up to temperature. Look, folks, you can see at the bottom of the glass it's starting to melt. That's what we're looking for. So here's one of the instances where my Mercer Cutlery, look at that. This is going to come in handy because I'm going to be able to mix this around. And you can see the sides, it's already, see where it's melting. Coming along good. Look at it, it's coming along good, folks. A few more minutes, we're gonna be all melted, ready to dip. Look how good that looks, folks. It's coming together. Look at that, folks. So now we got the cookies in the refrigerator so they can cure and get a little bit harder, and the chocolate can set. Check that out, folks. Look at them cookies right there. That's a nice cookie. I wish I could hold it still. Let me show y'all, folks. The chocolate went through the mesh on the screen, and the cookies are locked to the screen. So beware if you put them on a mesh screen, just to cool them, and you put the chocolate, is it going to get stuck? I tried to pull that one off, and look, it got stuck. That's okay. We'll get them off. But look how good they look, folks. Appreciate y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed our video. It's our first time we bake cookies. Try to get creative and put a little chocolate topping on them. We used our Ankarsrum mixer, our new stand mixer that we got yesterday. The next thing we're going to do is some pizza dough. Make us a homemade pizza, and we got it set up for it. So look for that video coming out soon. Hope y'all having a great day. Thanks for supporting our channel, and God bless.